A very good afternoon, all of you, and a very warm welcome to this live property session by housing.com. My name is Virat, and I'll be your host for this webinar. And we are joined by one of our most trusted partners, Thakur Estate. And we have Mr. Sanjeev Thakur, who has joined us from Thakur Estate today, who would be running us through this property, which is a 4 BHK inside one of the projects by Tata Housing. Welcome, Mr. Sanjeev Thakur. Guys, we completely understand how difficult it is to finalize on a house and the whole process of searching for our dream home. We have to make sure we take the right decision, we choose the right partner, we pay the right price for the property. And for that, we are here with you at Housing. We have this mission to make the home buying process easier than ever before for you. So we at the same time understand in today's times it's difficult for us to step out with our entire family in search of houses to go and do site visits. So with the help of in-house technologies, we have made it possible that you could be in the comfort of your home and you can do a virtual site visit at the touch of a button. And we are here all together, join in for that itself. We have Mr. Sanjeev Thakur with us, who would be taking the platform now and will be showcasing a 4 BHK property in Gurgaon in a project by Tata Housing. Mr. Sanjeev Thakur, I would really appreciate if you could just tell us something about yourself, and then we can take a look at the property.
Okay, thank you, Virat, to introduce myself to the audience, and very warm welcome to our audience. I'm here to represent, Thakur Estate. I'm also co-founder of Thakur Estate, based in Gurgaon, and we are dealing, some high-end properties. So right now, today our agenda is to focus, one of the best property, which you can say premium property of Tata Group, and the project name is Tata Primanti. So I just want to introduce you where this project actually located in Gurgaon. Sure. So it's located in sector 7070. If someone heard about the Vatika Chowk, or you can heard about the Badshapur Chowk. So it's the junction which is coming from Golf Course Extension Road, and one is coming from Rajiv Chowk. So there is a junction, which straight will connect to Sohna Road, Sohna, and one is coming from Golf Course Extension, and it goes straight. That is SPR Road. That is Southern Peripheral Road. Yes. So basically, sector 70 is located on SPR Road, Southern Peripheral Road. So it connects to NH8 and if towards Haldiram Chowk. So I'm talking about one of the luxurious project of Tata Primanti, and in this project, Tata has acquired 36 acres of land bank. Wow. And they construct, the mixed development kind of thing, like floors, villas, executive apartments.
Sounds like a township to me.
Yeah, it's a kind of township. Great. Basically, 3 or 4 years back, we are talking about the 100 acres land bank which have, then it's a township, complete township, you can say. But here again, roughly 36 or 40 acres is a huge land bank. True. And it's on the SPR Road. It's a prime property actually, and one of the prime property in Gurgaon itself of a Tata. A few more properties on
name itself.
Yes, Tata is also trusted name, and no doubt the construction quality, the architectural designs, even the gardens here, they are on the theme base of Delhi Mughal gardens. So great. It inspires a lot to people, to come here and see the properties and book the apartments, floors, or villas, whatsoever. So main agenda here is, I'm just talking about the property which is starting from 3 BHK, 4 BHK and upwards. So we are talking about today 3 BHK property actually.
Which I would like to tell our audience that, so sorry to interrupt, Mr. Thakur, I would like to tell our audience that when we talk of a name like Tata and we talk of a project which is coming up on a land parcel of 36 acres, we need to be rest assured that, there shouldn't be any need to step out of that project for any basic requirement. And the amenities are not going to be namesake. All the amenities are going to be full-fledged amenities that we expect from any A plus developer. And when it's Tata, there's no doubt about it.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, please, Mr. Thakur,
Yeah,
you may
definitely.
continue.
So, yeah, great words, you can say. Again, I'm talking about the Tata Primanti project, and today I will showcase one of the property that is, 3 BHK apartment having area is 2550 square feet. I'm talking
Oh,
about
wow,
the super
quite
area. So it's 255 square feet. And someone, people are saying, how much carpet, how much is loading, and all these things actually. So very much I am clear about that super area is I'm talking about 2550, and the carpet and loading area, if you can calculate, it's roughly, you can deduct, 25% to 30% roughly.
Which is one of
So
the
it comes around, if I'm talking about carpet area, it's around 1850 square feet. So it's a huge actually, because many builders, right? Yeah. So nowadays, the loading factor, makes a lot of difference to people, when someone is buying property, and giving so much higher price, the people are saying, why we are giving, so much higher. You were talking about the super area, this one, and carpet area is so. So again, Tata is a brand name, and the loading part is very less as comparison to other builders.
Absolutely. It's one of the lowest that I'm hearing, especially considering that it's Tata and the project size itself is 36 acres. For our audience, I would again like to emphasize a little on this term loading percentage shared by Mr. Thakur. Loading is nothing but any cost which is over and above the carpet area that you are supposed to pay for, any area over and above carpet area that you're supposed to pay for. And it's around 25%. Trust us, it's one of the lowest that I've heard from an A plus developer, which is great. And 1800 square feet, just the carpet area for a 3 BHK is going to be a lavish house, I must say.
Yeah, very true. Very, very well said, you. And when you enter, this apartment, there is a, you feel a good entrance actually. So entrance, you can compare with, the 4-star or 5-star hotel category. So there is a majestic lobby, you can say. Then there is a, a huge serene spaces around the lobby. So it attracts, to the customer, to the clients, to get the property in this Tata Primanti projects. So that is the best part. And that the lobby is also, double story, you can say height.
Wow.
Yeah. So it gives us.
It's more like a lifestyle than just a house.
Yes.
Yeah.
So amenities, if I'm talking about, as I told you, it's a huge land parcel, 36 acre. So there is all kinds of amenities like, spa services, then swimming. There is a indoor swimming pool, and which is temperature control. Then huge cafeteria, where, nowadays, we have a habit, not doing the breakfast or something. So you go there, cafeteria, just get some snacks, or, just take some another, daily use kind of thing, and you carry on your office or some your business. Then there is, also a huge gym actually, which is daily basis need, and squash court, and then there is a tennis court. So these kind of mixed blend, is very rare actually in Gurgaon, if you see, because builders are making houses or luxurious apartment, but they can build, half of things like, half court of basketball, or there is no, tennis court, because a lot of space you have to be actually, to interact with, or you to put in the group society kind of thing. So my major focus today is, we show the apartment of, a 3 BHK apartment, and we can move forward as Virat is comfort.
Once again, to our audience, I would like to announce that we are going to take a look at one of the luxurious 3 BHK apartments in a project by Tata Housing, which is located in Sector 70. It's called Tata Primanti. We have one of our trusted partners, Thakur Estates, who is with us, and Mr. Sanjeev Thakur, the owner of Thakur Estates, is going to take us through the entire property. I would really appreciate all the audience to please feel free to drop any questions that you may have throughout this virtual site visit that we do. In the chat box, you can write these questions in the question answer box. Once we are done with this site property tour, I would be more than happy to announce these questions, and Mr. Thakur would be glad to answer those for you. So yeah, please, Mr. Thakur, why don't you show us the house now?
Yeah, definitely.
I request audience to drop any questions in the chat box or in the question answer box. Once we are done with the site tour, which is a virtual site tour that we are going to do with the help of in-house technologies, because we understand it's difficult for you to step out with your whole family today to do site visits, and without taking a look and feel of the house, it's difficult to take a decision. So we made it possible that you could be in the comfort of your home, and we bring you the virtual site visit at the touch of a button.
So here we can start right now,
Sure,
and
sure.
this is the the building view of the.
If you could share your screen, Mr. Thakur, I'm not
Yeah,
able to see your screen, so sorry.
Okay, no. I think it's all right.
Oh wow, yeah, now it's visible.
Oh, then we can start right now.
Yes. If you
We
could
are.
expand the screen
Yes,
from the
yes.
right
Yeah.
corner, it'll be easier
Yeah.
for everyone to see it. Great.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so this is the building view of one of the great tower in Tata Primanti, and we can just started this.
Mr. Thakur, if it's okay with you, do you mind just putting your video on mute so that we can hear you clearly? Your voice is breaking a little.
Okay, okay, okay. So it's right now.
Yeah. It's perfect now. Please continue.
Yeah. So once someone come from this apartment, you can see this is the main entrance door where you can enter, and in entrance door you can see there is a passage which is coming, and the lift area, if you can see, this is the lift. You can see the two lifts, and one can enter from this, and then there is a passage, and you can enter your home or apartment.
Great. How many units would each floor have, Mr. Thakur, if I could ask?
Yes, it's a 4 units in one floor, and once you enter, this is the main entrance. There is a small area again, and this is a very fantastic, the living and dining area. It's a huge, and you can see there is no, the pillar or something, which can, store your spaces or something. It's and the one most, the best part in this, the sliding doors, which when you open these sliding doors, you can view all the, scenery of the SPR road actually. So there is a huge living room, and when you enter this living room, there is you can see, the AC is installed. I'm just showing this apartment which someone getting. That is the actual apartment. I'm not showing the apartment which is already having the things, the sofa, beds, and all these things are lying. So this one is the actual apartment which someone has get from the builder end.
So generally, I would just like to share with our audience, generally what we are shown by the builders is a sample apartment, and it is a fully furnished apartment generally, where you actually do not get a clear idea as to what is it that you are going to really get from the builder. But what we are seeing from Thakur Estates today is what Mr. Sanjeev Thakur is showcasing today is the apartment which you will actually get, which is a raw apartment where all you need to do is add your furniture, and you are ready to enjoy the lifestyle which Tata Housing has to offer.
Yeah,
Please.
true, very much true. Thanks, Virat. You can make my work very easy, actually. So you can see, we can just enter, the kitchen part. This is the space for your refrigerator. And this one is the kitchen, which you can say that is a modular kind of
Mr. Thakur,
kitchen.
we are facing some bandwidth issue. Is it okay if I can showcase this and you talk about it?
Okay, fine.
I would request you to just stop sharing the screen so that I can do that. It'll be easier. And
Okay, yeah, fine.
yeah. Just a minute. So we'll move much faster like that.
Mhm.
So we were in the kitchen, if I'm not wrong. So this is the property I would again like to tell our audience. This is a project which is by Tata Housing, located in Sector 70, Gurgaon. And it is sort of a township. The land parcel that the property has come up on is 36 acres. And let's go inside this house and take a detailed look into the whole house, how it looks. I'll take you to the kitchen because we were talking about the kitchen. Please, Mr. Thakur, you may
Yes,
continue.
yes. That. This is modular kind of kitchen, and you can see clearly, I think, right now.
Yeah.
There is a burner hob, then chimney, and the best part is, the modular kitchen in which, the drawers and all these things you
Mhm.
are, in this apartment. And there is exhaust fan is also in the kitchen, and there is a huge shelf, where you
Yeah,
can put
yeah.
you can use this as a dining also, or you can use some other kind of stuff for
True,
this.
true.
That is the best part, and it's a very spacious kitchen if I'm talking about, and it's a connected to living and dining area. And the ventilation part, that is very good. As I told you, the single wall facing, the entire space of the lobby area.
True,
And
true.
in kitchen there is some utility room where you can see the door is,
Which is here.
and there is a
Okay,
utility room here.
great.
So that is again a very unique feature actually.
Mhm.
And it's also, the utility area is very good actually. It's not a small kind of things. You can store the house, the stuff, the kitchen stuff and other things also.
So I can see
So
cabinets here as well. I can see cabinets underneath
yes,
also. So enough space, I must say.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the best part, because mostly builders, are not, providing these kind of stuff. They are just giving you, the shelf part, and
True.
that's okay. But here you can find, the three gas burner, then chimney and all these things.
Should we step
And
into the
again, we are
balcony?
in,
How about going to the balcony and just checking out?
yes. Balcony is so huge,
Please.
as you see, the entire living room facing the balcony. So your balcony area is huge actually.
Yeah.
And you can see the, very good pictures view, the good, the all Tata Primanti housing. There is, you can see downstairs, the villas, the row houses or multi-story
I can I
apartments.
can I
And
can imagine a small setup in the balcony itself, maybe just to have a cup of coffee or tea in the evening, sitting here,
yeah, it's
enjoying fresh
wonderful.
air
Yes,
and such a beautiful view, I must say.
yes,
How wide
definitely.
is the balcony, Mr. Thakur? What is the size of
Yeah, it's roughly around 11 feet long and 5 feet broaden. The
wow,
bed
great,
is, so it's a huge actually. So
spacious
you
enough.
can, put the hanging pots or something,
True,
the
true, true.
the stuff also. You can enjoy, as you said, enjoy evening tea or morning tea or
Sure,
something else.
sure. Great. Let's move inside now.
Yeah.
So this is one of the bedrooms that we are into right now.
Yes. There is one bedroom, and you can see, the bedroom flooring is wooden,
Mhm.
and the wooden flooring is also, have guaranteed of 15 years. It's a
Wow.
tough and wooden flooring,
Mhm.
and the glazes, if you are seen, these are the PVC of this one. They are also, made of German quality of kind of thing.
Wow.
So it's a toughened glasses also. It's a
Mhm.
soundproof glasses.
Great.
The noise is not coming from outside, and the ultraviolet rays of suns also, they impact less actually.
Wow.
So the
What is the
fitting and
size
all
of
are,
this bedroom, Mr. Thakur?
This size is around 12 by 11 actually.
Okay, great. So roughly 125 square feet or so.
Yeah, 125 square feet. It's a
Great.
good size. And you can
Let's see the
lay down
balcony.
the king size of, yes. Again, you can see the balconies there,
Mm-hmm.
and the attached balcony and the bedroom. You can share, you see our private balcony.
Great.
And again, the scenery is beautiful. You can see the
True.
surroundings.
True. With your permission, can I move to the next bedroom
Yes,
now?
yes, definitely, definitely. I'm waiting from your end.
Okay. So we've entered the second bedroom now.
Yes, the second bedroom is again in that symmetry also. Again, ventilation part is very good. There is huge, the windows,
Mm-hmm.
and actually this work is going on. Yesterday, some client has, purchased this apartment,
Mm-hmm.
so work is going on.
Great.
So AC, you can see every bedroom you find, ACs. In living room there are two ACs
Oh wow.
because
So
that is
that comes
used.
as a part of the package, is it?
Yeah, it's a semi-furnished kind of thing. So
Nice.
it's
Nice.
yeah. So costing wise, you can see, you save money actually. And one
Great.
more thing, I just want to be tell my people, or the audience,
Mm-hmm.
that currently, some Diwali festival is going on. So there is some discounts.
Mm-hmm.
So one can avail these discounts
Wow, wow,
before
wow.
Diwali.
We will
So that is the
definitely come
best
to
part
that.
actually.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
We will come to that after taking a look at
Yeah.
the
After
house.
that, yes, yes, definitely.
It's the most awaited part would be the price and the deals part.
Yes,
But
yes.
yes, looking at the house itself, I must say it's extremely spacious. All the bedrooms have a French window, a balcony, so it makes it well lit and well ventilated,
Yes,
which actually is the need, because if your house is closed from all sides, those positive vibes is something that we miss out on. But looking at
yes,
the house, looking at how well lit it is, there are no lights which are on. Still there is ample light coming from outside, which makes it a perfect home to stay in. And whenever we feel like, we can put the blinds on and make it dark for a calm and peaceful sleep at night.
yes,
Great.
yes.
So
And
there's
one more thing I want to
yeah,
show the
please.
customer, there is, smoke detector also there is.
Okay, yeah, I
So
can see
that is
that.
very good blend of, the apartment. You can see,
Mhm.
high rise, very few chances actually to, some mishappening is going on, but there is also a smoke detector.
Yeah, and
So
of course, a builder like Tata definitely will keep in mind the safety and security of the
yes,
residents, and then I'm sure they've given all these things as a part of the whole unit, which is great. So let's take a look at the bathroom, which is attached to this
yes, yes.
particular bedroom.
Yeah, this one there is apartment in bed. The washroom is a huge washroom.
Yeah,
You can see there is a jacuzzi is also inside,
wow,
and the fitting is also, A class build quality of kind of thing.
great,
So all, the features and the things, which you feel in your washrooms, that is already fitted.
great. So what is the brand of the bath fittings? Do we have any information around this?
Yeah, it's a Jaguar fittings.
Oh, great.
And
Wow.
Toto and Groho is also in some other
Wow, wow,
bathrooms.
wow, wow,
So
wow. Great. So this was the second bedroom that we were looking at.
yes, yes,
Let's
yes.
move to the third bedroom now. I would again like to share with our audience, we are looking at a
Yeah, third
3
bed.
BHK property, which is
Yes,
inside a project by Tata Housing called Tata Primanti, which is in sector 7070. The super built up area for this house is, if I'm not wrong, 2,550.
yes, correct,
Oh,
correct.
great. Wow. 2,550 is the super built up area. If you talk about the carpet area for a 3 BHK, it's roughly around 1,800 square feet, which is extremely, extremely spacious. We are witnessing this house for ourselves right now, though virtually. But yes, I'm sure we are able to give you a complete idea of how this house is going to be. So we've entered the third bedroom now. So, Mr. Thakur, why don't you tell us about this also?
Yeah, again, this is the third bedroom, and you can see, there is a corners. You can use these corners actually for your cupboards and all.
Wow.
And again, the apartment has wooden flooring again. This bedroom and attached washroom again. So 3 bedrooms and 3 attached washrooms. And again, the lobbies also, you can enjoy the lobby. Every bedroom has a, single lobby.
Which is the best part as per
balcony,
me.
you can say.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the best part.
Great.
So it depends upon the facing part. People prefer, east facing, north facing. So we have a few units actually left. So one can enjoy the all views actually. Someone is, looking for the SPR road. Someone is looking for, the whole 36-acre or green belt kind of thing.
One
so you
can
have a
decide
choice.
the view that they want
Yes.
from. Great.
Yes.
Perfect.
So 4B, I'm just also talking about one more thing, that we have a couple of 4 BHK apartments also.
Wow.
So you can add on one apartment here also. Here you can see 4 attached bathrooms. There's a 3 BHK kind of thing at this one, but the one room size is also there. So if I'm talking about the 4 BHK, the size is 2905.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's
So
a
there'll be
400
one
square feet.
additional bedroom.
Yeah, one additional bedroom. So
this is the bathroom for the second master bedroom. Okay. So to our audience, would like to request, in case you have any questions so far, we are just about to end this video tour. We've taken a complete look at the property. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those questions in the chat box or in the question answer box. I would be more than happy to take those questions up. And we have Mr. Thakur, who have joined us from Thakur Estates, one of our trusted partners, who would be more than glad to answer any queries that you have regarding this lavish 3 BHK by Tata Housing in a project called Tata Primanti, which is located in Sector 70, Gurgaon. Just a minute.
Yeah, again, it's a beautiful apartments. One can choose here, the villas, also executive floors, executive apartments, duplex we have. So again, I'm just saying, please come over there and visit, see the property, feel the difference, feel the quality, and the main part is it's a centrally located. From each and every side, you are connected.
Great.
And this is the outer view. You can see once someone has come, again, enjoy the natural things, a lot of trees, the water bodies behind. So that is the best part. And one more best part, Virat, I'm just saying to customers, there is a no vehicle free zone area actually. Because someone, enters to the society, so it's in a surrounding periphery, one can go there and go straightway, to the basement to park the car.
Great.
So again, that is a best feature in this whole, you can say, the Tata Primanti.
Mr. Thakur, some have joined us recently. I would really appreciate if you could just again quickly tell us where this particular project is located and how well it is connected with the surroundings.
Okay.
If you could just tell us about the surrounding areas also a little when you talk about the connectivity.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks. Yeah.
And meanwhile, I would really appreciate anyone who has any questions regarding the same, please drop those questions in the chat box or in the question answer box. We have Mr. Sanjeev Thakur here with us today, who would be more than happy to answer all your questions, post which we will come to the best part and the most interesting part, which is the price and the deals which are currently going on for Diwali. Please, Mr. Thakur, if you could talk about the connectivity a little.
Again, once again, I'm talking about today, the presentation is for one of the luxurious project in Gurugram, in Tata Primanti. It's in sector 7070. And if someone is not familiar to Gurgaon, so I just want to say, there is a Vatika Chowk. If someone has heard about the golf course road, then there is a golf course extension is coming up. So golf course extension where meets, and one road is coming from Rajiv Chowk. So there is an intersection, there is a roundabout, we can say. There is a flyover is also coming up. Then if you go to straight, then there is a SPR road, Southern Peripheral Road. On the Southern Peripheral Road, it's just bang, on the right hand side, there is a Tata Primanti project. Total land bank is 36 acres. That is huge. If I'm talking about nowadays scenario, and all amenities like the gym, swimming pool. The swimming pool, indoor swimming pool is also there. Service spaces, then majestic lobby. If someone enter your apartment, you can start from the lobby, that is double height lobby. There is a very serene spaces around there. There is a huge cafeteria. You can
Wow.
avail the facilities from lunch to dinner to breakfast at any time. And squash court, then there is a full, the tennis court. So all kind of amenities. There's an open ample space parking for your visitors also, because sometimes you have only one or two parking in your premises, but when your guest is coming, there is a lot of things can happen. So there is a separate spaces for your guest, or where can they park.
What
Then,
about the car parking for the owners? And if you could just talk a little about that.
yeah, it's again depends upon property to property. As I told earlier, there is a blend of villas, then floors, then high-rise apartments. So in high-rise apartment, when someone get one apartment, for example, if someone buy 3 BHK apartment, there is a one car park there.
Mhm.
So if go to further, 4 or 5 BHK apartments also there, then there is a two, the parking slot for individuals.
Okay.
And yeah,
So the
so if
configuration, so the configuration is 3 BHKs, 4 and
one,
5.
yeah, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
with each beat 3, beat 4, beat 5, 2 car parks are made available for the owner, is it?
For 3 BHK, it's only one car park.
It's one car
But one can avail the facility of second
an
also. There is
additional.
charges, definitely. There is some charges. And if someone is also very keen, then we have a good, discounts for these things also.
Great, great, great. So, would just like to share with our audience again that in case we are looking at a 3 BHK, then one car park is included in the package, but you always have an option in case someone has more than one vehicle, you can always avail for another car park. And we have Mr. Thakur, we would be coming to the price part very soon, where we would be understanding, what sort of deals or discounts are running right now. And in case there's another car park required, then definitely arrangements can be made and the best price can be availed through Thakur Estates. And Mr. Sanjeev Thakur would be there to guide us about that. Yeah, please.
Yeah, thank you. Today, as I told you, our presentation for 3 BHK apartment, that is 2550. If I'm talking about the super area. So if I'm talking about the right now, the prices part, that is the major part, because everyone wants to see in their pocket, best discount or best deals.
True.
So if I compare, to behind the, 2 years or 3 years back. So right now the price is very, very, competitive and very,
True.
very, on demand actually.
True.
So if I'm talking about 2,550 square feet areas, 3 BHK size, the price is coming around 2.44 CR.
Okay.
It's again negotiable price.
Great.
And one can, avail, or you can choose the apartment. So as a Thakur Estate, we give a good discounts. That is on the table part or something else. So we have a good discount parts. So you can avail the facilities.
So where in case anyone gets interested to meet you, Mr. Thakur, if anyone gets interested to personally meet you, see this property, or I'm sure you have been in the market for the last 10 years now, and you have a vast experience in the whole sector, real estate sector, if I talk about. Also, the areas that you operate in Gurgaon, I'm sure you can help customers or buyers or investors with any kind of requirements that they may come up with. So if someone wants to meet you personally, where can they come for this particular project, or in general, if they want to discuss their requirements with you so that they can find their dream home in Gurgaon? You are an expert of that area, so why don't you tell us how we can go about meeting you and take it further from there?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, in Gurgaon, we have 2 offices. One office is on Sohna Road. If you heard about someone, the room, the Central Park property.
Yeah.
So so it's a prime property. So one can avail, get there, and that is a centrally located place, and just near Subhash Chowk in Sector 48, Gurgaon.
Okay.
And second office is our in Old Gurgaon in Sector 14. It's all Delhi Road. And if someone can contact the number, you can also display, that is a
Sure.
7607861.
I will, yeah. I will definitely, once we are about to conclude this call, you will find Mr. Sanjeev Thakur's contact details on the screen. Feel free to get in touch with him to discuss your requirements, so that if not this 3 BHK, if you're looking for a 4 BHK, a villa, there are a lot of properties in their portfolio. They've been in the market for the last 10 years now. And I'm sure they would be able to help you find your dream home. And having said that, Mr. Thakur, over and above this price, which you quoted 2.5 crores, which is negotiable, and for a 3 BHK, which itself is 2,550 square feet, which is huge size, I must say, with
Yes.
a balcony in the living room, in all the bedrooms, quite well ventilated, well lit, in a very spacious house that we took a look at. Over and above this price, any additional costs that a buyer has to pay, and then how do you help them with those services, if there's
Yeah.
anything added to
Yeah.
it?
First of all, I correct you. 3 BHK is 2.44. I'm talking about.
2.44. So sorry.
Yeah.
So sorry.
No issue.
Mhm.
So it's again a negotiable price, and it's a complete package. You
Okay.
just spend only the registration part above
Okay.
that.
Okay.
So
Great.
it's a huge package. Some people say that is a TSB, that a total sale value. It's not a BSP. There is a PLC charges. There is another club membership charges or something, IFMS charges. It's a huge package.
So all inclusive,
2.44.
2.44.
Yeah, it's all inclusive. And the exclusive part is the registry part.
That's it.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
And
registration part is again, I'm talking about the 4%, 5%, and 6%, which is currently availing. For 4%, for those who, for women's kind of, they can avail the facility of 4% as the registration charges, 5% for both husband and wife, and 6 for the gentlemen's, as they have a good package.
great.
So
And
that is the,
mhm.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
What about the home loan facility? And is there any assistance from your side regarding that?
That is very beautiful question you can ask me. We are providing, very good interest rates, and we are already tied up with good banks like ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, Axis Bank. As right now ICICI giving you very good, the interest rate. It is 6.90, and most of people, coming. So that is the best part. So we have, this kind of facilities also. If someone, looking for dream house or flat, bring their documents and all. We organize, the loan part. We coming down to the bank officials persons on the
Great.
same day, and on the single day, all your things, how much you are getting loan, how much you are, on another, top of kind of thing. Sometimes, people says, I have only 10% amount, just booking amount. The rest 90% I don't have. So what can I do? Because majorly builders are, taking 25%, and then you can go for the loan part. So 75% is the ratio from the bank.
True.
So we have these facilities also, because now right now banks is also looking for this kind of thing, for special kind of services. So we top up the things. So we have a kind of this stuff also. So we once you have a 10% amount, rest 90% we can top up for your loan kind of thing.
Great. That's great help. You provide end-to-end assistance, is what I'm understanding. So right from handing over the keys to doing the registration to providing the home loan. So all these services are going to be provided by Thakur Estate itself. So we have Mr. Sanjeev Thakur here, who would be more than happy to meet you face to face, understand your requirements, and suggest a suitable property. So what we took a look at right now was a 3 BHK a lavish apartment with a super built-up area of 2,550 square feet in a project by Tata Housing called Tata Primanti, which is located in Sector 70. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those questions in the chat box or in the question answer box. Mr. Thakur is right here with us, would be more than happy to answer any questions of yours. Yeah, Mr. Thakur, anything else that you want to show us? Maybe I heard you have a villa also in your kitty.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
A beautiful villas, people are looking for nowadays for villa kind of some separate kind of property. The pandemic is going on, so people don't why, sometimes say, we want, some different kind of property or some duplex kind of thing, your low-rise floors kind of, there is no, hustle and bustle there. So we have one more video for the villa kind of. I think people will enjoy the video. So I just play the video.
So while the video comes up, I would like to again share that feel free to ask more questions if you have any questions around this property that we just took a look at. And what we were seeing right now was a 3 BHK house inside Tata housing project called Tata Primanti, which is located in Gurgaon Sector 70. And we are joined by one of our trusted partners today, which is Thakur Estate. Mr. Sanjeev Thakur has joined in from there, who is running us through this whole virtual site visit, and he's showing us the property. Yeah.
Should I start, Mr. Graf?
Why not? Why not? Why not? I would be more than happy.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So this one is a villa. If I'm talking about, the name of the villa is Vartilas. And the most important part is here, you can see the deck area.
If you can share the screen, Mr. Thakur, we are not seeing your screen, so sorry.
Okay. Just a moment. Yeah, it's okay right now?
Yeah. If you could maximize the screen, it will be easier for everyone to. Great.
Yes.
Great. Wow.
So these are the staircases. It's a basement, ground, first, second, and third floor apartment.
Wow.
Villa. So in basement, there is a one bedroom. There is the bedroom is coming from first floor. There are 2 bedrooms on first floor, attached washroom with the lobbies. You can see the the villa's facade. Bedroom 1 on the first floor, attached washroom. There is a passage. Also, you can see the pictures queue. There is a lobby area inside. There is a living room.
Wow.
Again, the second bedroom. Attached balconies also and attached washrooms. Fully fitted, which you have seen in the pictures. This is bedroom 3. You can say kids' rooms also. Again,
so, does this come as a fully furnished unit, or how is it?
Yeah, it's a kind. It's a semi-furnished again. The beds and the all the stuff are not there actually. Otherwise, the washing point, the washrooms that are ready. These are these kind of stuff. The cupboards and all the furniture, the movable things are not there actually. It's a master bedroom with the washroom is lavish washroom with jacuzzis and all these things.
Wow.
And this is the terrace. Huge space. You can organize some barbecue or some other thing. So this is the building view, the facade view, you can say. The complete villa.
Great.
I'm talking about the features of the villa. This thing, it's a 270 square yard plot size, and having area is roughly 7,000 square feet.
You can put the screen off. The audio becomes clear then.
Okay. And stop sharing?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, great. Please.
Yeah. So in villa, actually, you can say the plot size is 270 square yard, and super built up area is 7,000 square feet roughly. And great. It's basement, ground, first, second, and third floor. So in basement, there is, there is, you can say the amphitheater, you can use the kind of thing, or you can
Wow.
make one thing, and there is a car park also in their system. Then stairs is coming up for the first ground floor, and ground floor is attached with the beautiful, you can see, the garden landscaping area, and there is, the pool is there inside on the ground floor. In ground floor there is a living room, huge living room, and with attached kitchen, and kitchen is
Oh.
also very spacious with attached your dining kind of stuff. Then again there is a lift also, and the lift comes from basement to your second floor.
Wow. Okay.
That is the beauty of the this villa. And on the first floor there are two huge bedrooms with attached washrooms, and there is also some living spaces also there, and balconies are attached with the bedrooms.
Wow.
And again, if I'm talking about the second floor, again 2 bedrooms, so it's a compact of 4 bedrooms villa.
Okay.
And on the top floor there is a servant room with attached washrooms, and then a terrace is there. So it's a complete package of the villa in 270 square yard plot size.
Great.
If someone is talking about the price, because that is the main constant, then it starts from 5.60 CR. So again, it's a negotiable price. We have a good deal for our customers. Once they want to see this kind of property, contact us. We are also available. And as I told you, and also you told us that we are also facilitate bank loans, even Vastu. So it's a privilege to us, to give us a chance as a Thakur Estate. So that is the beauty of the villas.
Great. So these two properties that we took a look at, the 3 BHK inside Tata Primanti project and this villa, both are ready to move in houses?
Yeah, these are ready to move in villas. That is the best part.
Okay.
Because you just put the money and just enter your house or villa. Wow. That is the best part. People are currently looking for the ready to move in.
Absolutely.
Kind of.
Ready to move in houses are in great demand right now, and residential sector is seeing a continuous demand. Buyers are not stopping, their decision, not holding back, and it's an auspicious time. People wait for this time of the year to finalize their big purchases, and we at Housing understand that being the most sensitive purchase, being the most costly purchase of your lifetime, we connect you to the right seller, we get you the right price, we get you a house at the right location, which are three prime factors involved whenever we buy a house. So we took a look at one of the most trustworthy builders, Tata Housing. We took a look at a 3 BHK from their side. It's a ready to move in house, a super built-up area of 2,550 square feet. The price bracket is around 2.44 crores, which is negotiable. And yes, we have Mr. Sanjeev Thakur today with us, joined in from Thakur Estates, who is one of our trusted partners, who gives you complete end-to-end assistance when it comes to buying a house, be it taking a look at the property, handing over the keys, registration of the house, providing home loan, all that you need to get this house for yourself. Sanjeev Thakur and Thakur Estates are going to walk hand in hand with you so that you don't face any hassles. And again, I would like to tell all our viewers that you've joined in for a virtual site visit tour of one or two properties today. But Mr. Thakur has been in the market for the last 10 years now. He has vast experience in the Gurgaon sector. If you have any questions, any queries, do feel free to ask those questions to us. Otherwise, in a short while, we are going to be concluding this call. I will have contact details of Mr. Thakur showing on the screen. Feel free to connect with him, discuss your requirements, and I'm sure Mr. Thakur, with his expertise, would be able to guide you to the right home for yourself.
Yeah, thank you, Virat. You can, tell about a lot of actually for Thakur Estate. First of all, thanks. And the viewers, don't hesitate, put your questions on the chat box, or you can call me. I'm 24/7 available for you.
There's a question which says, what is the facing for the apartment? What is the facing of the entrance of the apartment is one question.
Yeah, that's a good question because majorly people are looking, as a vastu. So there are, you can see the east facing majorly. You can see in this building. So there is east and northeast facing. We have a units.
Okay.
So in 3 BHK we have a limited unit. So rush your, to the our office to get these apartment to be locked, because 2 or 3 inventories are left for 3 BHK. 4 BHK we have 5 to 6 of inventories. So it's a good if vastu side. Yeah, this is again a beautiful question. If someone is from South India, so they are just opposite from North India. There is there is a difference between someone is saying when we enter the house from the main apartment, it's facing on the east. Someone says when we exit the apartment, it's facing east. So that one for the east facing.
Okay.
So it's again a contradiction. But for northern Indian as we are, so I'm here saying that mostly apartment, when you enter the house, on the main door, facing east.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have a couple of units also who's facing opposite also for South
So
Indian people.
there are units available, very few units in the 3 BHK configuration. Anyone who would be interested, I would really appreciate. I'm just going to be putting up the screen, which will showcase the details, contact details of Mr. Thakur. I would appreciate if you could just connect with him directly and discuss your requirements and take a look. Once again, I would like to thank everyone today for joining us for this call. Thank you, Mr. Sanjeev Thakur, for taking all the audience through the 3 BHK property by Tata Housing, and also one of the villas that you showcased. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, viewers. I was your host, Virat from housing.com. I'll be signing off very soon. I am going to put up the screen very soon now, where you can start seeing the contact details of Mr. Thakur. So that's all from our side. Thank you so much once again. Feel free to connect with Mr. Thakur on the numbers that you see on the screen right now. And I'm sure Mr. Thakur would be glad to connect with you face to face and discuss your requirements and suggest a suitable property. Thank you so much once again. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good day. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Virat.
Thank you, Mr. Thakur. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.